here we go. I just bought this, a cs-4910. Pretty much a 501p. I bought this because they're discontinuing this saw. I'm guessing it's because you're getting a 501p for the same price. Only difference is the 501p has an aluminum, aluminum wrap, bar, whatever you want to call it. And I looked online, they're only about 60 bucks, so I'll buy one of those, and I pretty much got a 501p right here. And like I said, it's all the same. So we're gonna open it up. You guys will tell me what you think here. All right, let me finish this up a little bit. All right, so we lowered the saw to the ground. Let's see what we got in here. We got old manual. Look at that. Look at those goodies. I don't know if we're gonna. It's pretty nice. Add that to the collection. Anyways. Without further ado, everyone's going to see. Look at her. What a beaut. Look at this beauty. All metal. 50 cc's pretty much, and it weighs less than this guy, which is a 42 cc. All right, I'll get it started up. I'm gonna do that all on camera. We'll add fluids, so just stay with me. So let's take a look at this bar here. Oh man, what a beauty, right? 20-inch bar, I'm definitely gonna have to go down to an 18-inch bar. But look at that, full cut. No, we've got definitely a semi-chisel chain, which will change, but it's still a nice chain. Pretty serious, but we can always do better. I do like the teeth. I think the 501p comes with better, or actually another one on the side, but I'll check that. And if not, I'm gonna add some spikes to the side, whatever you want to call these dogs. But look at that, she's beauty, hard as a rock. I think that makes a huge difference. Like if you go hold a Husqvarna, in my opinion, even like a 460 Rancher, I think it's just wobbly, like all around. This thing is stable. Like, for example, let me show you guys what I'm talking about here. Look at this. Well, this one ain't so bad because it's such a little smaller of a chainsaw, but it is just a wobbly thing, because it's got a plastic shell housing compared to the magnesium housing and all that on the Echoes. In my opinion, much better quality for a lower price. Like you can get that on other saws, but you got to pay more money. So let's put some fluids in here. Here's that BP Racing 50 to 1. Pretty sure that's what it calls out. Anyway, let's see. Brand new. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. So, start by adding some fuel. I personally believe BP Racing will extend your engine life too. It takes quite a bit of fuel there. Anyways, we didn't fill it to the top, we just got it to about, I'd say about 5/6 of the way. Nowhere near enough, but at least it'll get some. It's about a little bit more than half. That should be good to run it though. Anyways, I'm gonna close this up. Like I said, I just put about halfway. I have not even tried to start it, but let's go outside and let's see if we can get this puppy started. So let's keep it all on camera this way. No cheating. Last time I had a hell of a time getting one of these started though, an Echo, because you got to know it's got no primer bulb or anything like that, so just a choke and just crank away. So let's see, all my neighbors are outside, so they're gonna love this, but let's get her started. Let's see, shoot. So first thing I'll do is flip that to the on, pull the choke, and pull it till it's wants to turn over. Then look at that, already ready to go. That was fast. Anyways, let's take that off. Pull the choke again. Anyways, we'll check the spark plug gap because something ain't right. Alright, so we finally got it started. It took me about, I don't know, 4 hours. Don't laugh at me. It's literally insane how long it took. Basically, I had to loosen up the chain a little bit and increase the throttle a little bit. I mean, not even a little bit, a lot. And finally it started, because first it was the chain. I loosened up the chain a little bit because it was super tight on there. Like I couldn't even pull it. Yeah, after I did that, it kind of sputtered a little bit. So I was like, that's a good sign. So I pulled it a couple more times and it just kept doing that. So then I increased just the throttle. I didn't mess with any of the lowers or the highs. Once it gets running, I mean, once I go through a tank of gas or so, then I'll kind of give it a carb adjustment if I got to. Yeah, of course it ain't gonna start like that, but let's try this again. Sorry guys.